What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and you are now on day 42 of this beginning 5K program. You guys are doing marvelous. We're really proud of you. Let's get moving. All right, so day 42 is actually a rest day. So you can either work out your upper body, or you can do some stretching, or you could just, well, rest, because that's why it's called a rest day. Just make sure you rest those legs. And Coach Robin is going to come up because she has a couple words to say. So here she is.
Hey guys, happy Sunday, happy rest day. That is what I am doing. I am kicking up my feet and I am resting today. I got a good book here. I'm going to read Girl, Wash Your Face by Rachel Hollis. Not sure if you've ever read it, but it's pretty good. So I'm going to continue reading that, and I am just going to rest. So I hope you find a nice, enjoyable way to take your day off too. And I will see you out there tomorrow. I will post this coming week's schedule down below in the comments so that you know what's on tap. And what's on tap is tomorrow we're going to run 2.5 miles, but then we bump it down. All right. So, but we'll get more into that. But just a heads up, and you can see it below in the comments. So, have a great day off, and I will see you tomorrow.
Fantastic! You all are doing marvelous, and we're really proud of you. If you like this program and you like the video you saw, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel. That way you get notified every time we put out a healthy living video. So we put one up every day for the 5K program, but we also put out videos on all sorts of things healthy living. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified for those. And if you know anybody who can use the 5K program, and I'm sure you do because it's a great program for just about anybody to learn how to run a 5K, make sure you share it with them so that they can get the same benefit that you're getting now. And I just want to say we will see you tomorrow, because tomorrow is actually a workout day. So have a great one, everybody. See ya. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.